Puppy Surprise. This is Popcorn and she is very beautiful. I like the heart color all sparkly and glittery. This mommy is having puppies. Guess how many? 3, 4, 5. How many girls? How many boys? On the sides, they have little hearts that are very pretty. Then they have little paw prints, so you can feel the fur, how soft it is. On the back, it says Puppy Surprise, Popcorn. Popcorn is a lab dog and loves it. She loves getting attention. She is as sweet as they come and makes for the perfect friend to cuddle with. Popcorn is always the first to want to snuggle up with you when it's movie and popcorn time. She is just waiting for you to make her your BFF. Meet the moms, Gigi, Popcorn, Susie. Gigi comes with 2 magic puppies. Change their eyes from sleeping to awake with icy cold water. Guess how many puppies are inside? Only you will know. Surprise puppies! How many puppies will mommy have? Find out how many puppies mommy has when you open mommy's pouch and reach inside. You might have a boy or a girl, sleeping pup or a puppy that is smaller than the others. That means that it's the runt of litter. Let's open the box now. Popcorn is out. Her fur on her body is white and her hair is pink. Her collar is here. Her nose is very sparkly. And her hair is very soft. I think I should comb it. Comb her ears. And let's see. I think this is going to be her pouch. We unstrap it and the puppies will come out. Unstrap it, reach inside and grab our puppy. Look at the puppy. One, 2, 3, 4. She has about 4 puppies. These are really cute. This one is a boy. The ones with the blue collars are boys, and the ones with the pink collar is a girl. I have 3 girls and 1 boy. And I just realized this one's a runt. It's one of the small puppies. It's smaller than these ones.
Do they have names?
I don't think so, but let's name the puppies. Popcorn. This one should be named Bowie. Let's name this one Rosie. And this one's a sleeping puppy. She's sleepy. We'll name this one Sleepy. And why don't we name this one Playful? These are her puppies. Mama is really excited with her puppies. She really loves her puppies. They like to cuddle in. That's Popcorn and her puppies. Bye.